Who doesn't like a bubbling casserole? You know, and they're easy to make because you can put in there various ingredients. You put it in the oven, you can do other things, and then come back and serve it. So we're going to make a casserole actually of zucchini, some turkey meat. We're going to make almost like a rough meat sauce with all of this and then layer it with potatoes and cheese and bake it. So let's begin with the sauce. A bit of oil. We'll put the onions in. A little bit of salt. So here I have two diced zucchini, kind of roughly diced, some ground turkey meat. Can you do it with any other meat? Of course you could. You could do it with pork or whatever. But, you know, turkey is economical and it's really tasty. So the onions, flavor, we'll add about 2 bay leaves, nice and fresh bay leaves. But make sure that as many as you put in, you remove. So let me put this on the side, and I'm making a hot spot here for the meat. Maybe I put just a little bit of oil and then put the turkey meat right here and let it caramelize a little bit. Some salt. And eventually I'll put it all together, but I want the meat to get a little caramelization, get a little flavor before it begins to raise. Breaking up a little bit the meat. It's because you want it to be like a meat sauce, a bolognese. It's a little chunky, but still broken up. Add a little peperoncino for a little extra zest. And again, I'll make another little corner here, and I'll put the tomato paste in here. And I want the tomato paste to be caramelized a little bit as well. So I'm kind of slowly building up these flavors. And then I'll mix it all in together. Add some dry white wine. Okay. That's it. Might as well. Good wine. Wine that you would drink. Okay. Well, that is perking away. I have the cheese and some mozzarella soft cheese, some grated cheese. I put it together. Whenever you grate soft cheese, it becomes difficult. It sticks sometimes. Put grated cheese with it and just mix it like that. And you see, it sort of separates and it's easy for you to handle. Okay, so this is ready. Let's do the potatoes. So we're going to line the bottom. I have this casserole right here. And we'll line the bottom of the casserole with the potatoes and the meat and the cheese and the zucchini. So you can see that this will be delicious. A little bit just to line the pan and a little bit to flavor the potatoes. So oil, a little bit of salt in the potatoes. And as you can see, rather thin. I want to put them on the bottom. I want them to get some color from the bottom, but I want them to cook also because this is going to be just about cooked. So let's put the potatoes on the bottom. Okay. This looks cooked, a little juicy. We like it that way. So this way it will seep in the potatoes and they'll become flavored. Let's remove the bay leaves. Okay. Let's put a little bit of cheese over the potatoes. All right. And then braised meat and vegetables, a layer of that. Cheese in between. Looks pretty good, huh? Wait until it's cooked. Foil paper. So a rather hot oven from 375 to 400, depends on how hot your oven is, with the foil on for about 20-25 minutes. Take the foil off for another 15-20 minutes until all the cheese is nice and crusted. And it's ready to go. So here is the delightful prize. You certainly can bring it to the table just like that, but it will also stay hot for a while. Now, how would you serve this? I would say just serve it like this with a nice spoon. Do you let everybody serve? Oh, you can serve, as the hostess, as having done this masterpiece. You serve it to them. Maybe just go right in, just like that. Make sure you get some of the potatoes. I want this crust. Like that. I mean, there's no super setting for this, but then just looks luscious, luscious. I have with this a little bit of Morellino. Morellino, a great Tuscan wine from the Sangiovese varietal, the same varietal that makes Chianti. So lots of fruit, that's what you need with this. So I want to take a little meat and a little potatoes and wow. Just the smell. I mean, just of the toasted cheese. Just complete bite. Meat, vegetables, potatoes, all the things that are really comforting and delicious. Perfect wine.